What's going on, you guys? So it's been about 2 months since I made my last video or so. I don't know why I haven't been making videos. I haven't really been doing anything really to the car or anything like that. Been mainly working, and I bought a truck, or I got a truck, traded my 4x4 for a truck, and been kind of working on that. But I did get new wheels for my car, so about to show them. And I just got new spacers for the wheels because they're like kind of sucked in a little bit on the rear. So I'm gonna try to offset it a little bit because it's rubbing just a hair on the back, but I'll go ahead and show what it looks like right now. So these are the new wheels. I got CSL style wheels. I wanted to get new wheels because my other wheels, they're actually, one of the wheels on the back has 2 welded cracks on it. So I was trying to get out of them, and they have pretty bad curb rash. But these right here, as you can see, they're kind of in there a little ways, and I'm trying to set it out a little bit farther because I can fit my whole hand in there. So I just bought 12mm spacers, so I'm about to go ahead and jack the car up and get these bad boys on. This is 2, and then my extended lug bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. So this right here is what I've been hearing on why I got spacers. Luckily, it didn't really do too much here. It's only a little bit of a little surface, little cut kind of. It's not even fingernail deep, so we're all good here. I haven't drove it very long with it like this, but now I'm gonna bring it out a little bit so it won't rub anymore when I hit any bumps or anything. So we'll be all good to go. Alright, so this is it right here. So with the 12mm spacer on, pretty flush now. Seems pretty good. Set it off a little bit better. But that's it, that's the final product. I'm gonna replicate the same thing on the other side, so I'm not gonna record that. But yes, I did. Whenever I lowered it, I torqued the bolts down, so they're all tightened up after I done lowered it down, put the weight on it. So it's all done. So now just one more left. I don't know what size bolts these are, but they're pretty good size difference from the other ones that I have. So it's pretty good, but that's gonna be it for this video. All I wanted to do was do a little bit of an update and show that I got new wheels and put the spacers on and everything, but it's gonna be it. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.